Let's say you're feeling nauseous after a bumpy car ride. You recognize the symptoms early, feeling sweaty and dizzy. You decide to sit up straight, take deep breaths, and sip on some water. You avoid looking at the fast-moving scenery outside the window, which could worsen your nausea. You also recall the ginger candies you packed and chew on one for its anti-nausea properties. As you continue to focus on your breathing and stay hydrated, the nausea gradually subsides, allowing you to feel more comfortable for the remainder of the journey. Based on this scenario, here's a step-by-step guide on how to prevent vomiting or manage the feeling of nausea. Recognize the symptoms early. Pay attention to the early signs of nausea, such as increased saliva production, sweating, dizziness, or a queasy feeling in your stomach. Being aware of these symptoms can help you take action before vomiting occurs. Change your position. If you're sitting or lying down, try standing up slowly. Sometimes changing your position can help alleviate nausea. Deep breathing. Practice deep breathing exercises to help calm your body and mind. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold your breath for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this several times until you feel more relaxed. Stay hydrated. Sip on clear fluids like water, ginger ale, or herbal teas. Avoid consuming large amounts of liquids at once, as this can exacerbate nausea. Avoid strong smells. Strong odors can trigger nausea. If possible, move away from strong smells or try to eliminate them from your environment. Ginger. Ginger has natural anti-nausea properties. You can chew on a small piece of fresh ginger, drink ginger tea, or take ginger supplements to help alleviate nausea. Acupressure. Apply pressure to the P6 acupressure point, also known as the Niguan point, located on your wrist about 2 or 3 finger widths below your palm. You can use your thumb to apply pressure in a circular motion for a few minutes. Eat small, bland meals. If you feel up to eating, stick to small, bland meals such as crackers, toast, or plain rice. Avoid spicy, greasy, or heavy foods that can worsen nausea. Medications. Over-the-counter medications like antihistamines, for example, dimenhydrinate and meclizine, or antiemetics, for example, ondansetron, can help alleviate nausea and prevent vomiting. However, always consult with a healthcare professional before taking any medications, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery to help reduce stress and anxiety, which can exacerbate nausea. Distraction. Engage in activities that can distract your mind from feeling nauseous, such as listening to music, watching a movie or TV show, or reading a book. Rest. Sometimes simply lying down and resting in a comfortable position can help ease nausea. If you found this video helpful in learning how to prevent vomiting and manage nausea effectively, don't forget to like and share. And please consider subscribing for more valuable content.